About the issue, hindi mo pwede sabihin na checkmate na.
Yeah.
Walang ganun. Yung suporta na binigay ng City Government of Legazpi, hindi ko basta-basta masusuklian yun kung hindi kami mag-champion.
Hey, it's JC on the mic. I'm with the head coach of Team Legazpi here for the Albay Governors Cup 2026. Coach Andoy, Coach, how are you?
Good.
Coach, here in the second game, we see this guy, hindi pwede nating hindi mapansin ang isang JP Boral who is present today now. The issue, the controversy about JP Boral playing, we'll put that to the side if you will, Coach. But can you tell me, ano ang importance, ano ang dinadala ng isang JP Boral sa isang Team Legazpi ngayong taon?
About the issue, move on.
Yeah.
Yun yung word na kailangan kong panindigan.
There you go.
We already appealed, they already responded, and at the same time, we are prepared
Yeah.
for what will happen with or without JP. Right now, Allen Liwag is available, but the bosses, mayor, and all of the team decided to bring JP.
Yeah.
Kahit nasa import category siya, still nag-decide kami na palaruin siya kasi he's a full-blooded Albayanong.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, ando na yung chemistry nila. Kalahati ng Team Legazpi naging kakampi niya for
Correct.
sure. Kaya, no doubt, he will play if he's available. Kung hindi naman available po siya, the import change is always up there for Allen Liwag, the NCAA MVP.
Yeah.
Ang hindi lang namin talaga ayaw namin palitan is Kuya Jay Collado.
Yeah.
Kuya Jay Collado brings the Kuya word and model sa mga Legazpeñong players. During practice, nag-practice kami yesterday. He keeps on teaching the big guys kung paano pumosisyon, kung paano maglaro na mas mabilis, kung paano mag-read and react. Actually, hindi yung kasama sa usapan, pero sabi namin, blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
Nakuha namin si Jay Collado. Actually, sa totoo lang, entering Governors Cup, nagka-problema kami sa schedule sa mga imports. But, blessing in disguise, may tumawag na very good friend na sabi niya, I talked to Jay Collado and he wants to play with Legazpi. Automatic, I said yes. Kasi sabi ko, pinapanood ko to sa MPBL.
Yeah.
Champion to eh. Nueva Ecija Vanguards.
Yeah.
Diba? The championship experience, the veteran experience, andyan eh. Yan yung sabi ko isang kulang dito sa mga batang to na kailangan mapunuan na yung kuya na magpapalakas ang loob nila sa loob.
There you go. And seemingly, kumbaga, seamless yung fit ngayon ni Sir Jay Collado sa team nyo, Coach Andoy. We've noticed in that first game, you guys' first game, parang sobrang dali ng laro para kay Sir Jay, and parang pinadali rin niya yung laro para sa the rest ng team ninyo,
Before the game, kinausap ko siya, sabi niya, boss, hindi ako mag-a-adjust. Hindi, what I mean, hindi sila mag-a-adjust para sa akin.
There you go.
Ako ang mag-a-adjust para sa inyo. Kumbaga, kung anong kailangan ko gawin, gagawin ko muna. Hindi, sabi niya, hindi porket import kailangan ko pumuntos ng malaki. Tandaan mo, boss, 5 players sa court.
Yeah.
Kung pwedeng maging leader ako, yun muna yung gagawin ko.
There you go. And that sort of mentality, parang priceless kumbaga
Yes,
sa isang
yes,
basketball team. Coach, going back to JP a little bit, at the end of the day, what is important is that he's on the floor for Team Legazpi. Now, in your second game against Team Malinaw, ano ang sa tingin nyo, Coach Andoy, ang kailangan yung handaan dito sa second game nyo against Team Malinaw? They're full of capable players, although they've struggled here a little bit in the Governor's Cup. Ano ang kailangan paghandaan ng Team Legazpi ngayong araw dito against Team Malinaw?
Para sa akin, sabi ko nga, entering Governor's Cup, we are so prepared. Yun yung masasabi ko. From Lanigay Tournament, I think most of my local players in Lanigay Tournament in Polangi is from Legazpi. Doon ko sinimulan yung banding until binuo namin yung Team Legazpi. I have the go signal from our super supportive Mayor Hisham.
Yeah.
It's a go-go. Akong humawak. Then, ensayo, hanggang na-condition lahat. Sabi ko, yung luck na lang sabi ko is trust factor after tune-up games. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
parang ang kulang na lang dito is tiwala sa isa't isa. Ay may kita point na sa ako sa mga coaches, coach, ano tayo? Team building tayo, swimming.
Yeah, I've seen the post,
Oo,
yeah.
sa ko, pakita natin kung paano natin makukuha yung tiwala nila
Yeah.
and tiwala natin sa kanila. Doon, sabi ko, after noon, yung banding, at least mas nakilala nila isa't isa. And sabi ko, after noon na, I think, kahit nung sa Bakakay na tune up, wala ako. They win in Bakakay by 10 points,
Yep.
even though they're trailing in the first quarter. I think around 19 points, they managed to come back.
Yeah.
Doon mo makikita yung trust. Sabi ko, walang nananalo sa basketball na isang tao, kundi we need a team to win.
Correct.
Kumbaga, yun din yung pinapakita ko sa mga players ko. I see to it, lahat mabigyan ko ng chance makalaro. And ma-showcase sila, mapakita nila sa lahat ng mga albayano yung talent nila sa basketball.
Now, Coach, again, only your second game here for the Albay Governor's Cup. Pero, kumbaga, ang consensus ng lahat ng mga nagsusubaybay, ang Legazpi, isa sa mga top contenders to win it all here at the Governor's Cup. How important is it for you and your team to stay undefeated here, only in the second game in the Governor's Cup?
Sabi nila, title contenders, para sa akin, we need to work for it. Hindi mo pwede sabihin na checkmate na.
Yeah.
Walang ganun. Kumbaga, kailangan paghirapan mo everyday.
Yeah.
Sabi ko sa kanila, every practice, every game na dapat papasok tayo sa court, we're on the same page. At the same time, lahat tayong well-motivated. Kasi sabi ko, if wala tayong motivation sa isa't isa, wala tayong motivation as a team, walang kwenta yan.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, parang ituring nyo to na parang pamilya nyo.
Correct.
Ako, tinuring ko kayo na parang mga anak ko. At the same time, yung suporta na binigay ng City Government of Legazpi, hindi ko basta-basta masusuklian yun kung hindi kami mag-champion. Yun yung sabi ko, yung City of Legazpi is supporting us. So dapat alam din natin kung paano yung suklian.
Yeah.
Diba? From day one, hindi nila kami pinabayaan. Andyan sila palagi. They let us use the facilities, ICR, Gregorian, laging nakablock ang schedule niya pag nag-request kami ng ensayo. That's a big part na talagang inaalagaan din ng mga nakaupo ngayon sa Legazpi City ang mga players sila para mag-improve ito.
Yeah. Well, I will leave you to start your warm-ups, Coach. But thank you so much for the in-depth interview, Coach Andoy, and good luck tonight and good luck moving forward here in the Governor's Cup.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Coach.
Thank you.